Elephant and Soccer Wolf stories. It is Lunar New Year and everyone at school is celebrating. Red decorations and happy smiles are everywhere.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Lunar New Year. It's a special time when families celebrate together and wish each other good luck. In many cultures, people share red envelopes to send kind wishes for the new year. Let's celebrate together and wish everyone a happy and lucky new year. So today, I want to celebrate with you by giving each of you a red envelope. Happy Lunar New Year!
Thank you, Miss Smith. Happy Lunar New Year! Ooh! 2 and 2... That's $4. 4? Isn't 4 unlucky in some Asian cultures? Mommy! I'm home.
Cutie Elephant, how was your day at school?
Mommy, my teacher gave me $4 for Lunar New Year. 4 is bad luck. I wonder why it's $4.
That's strange. Can you show me the red envelope? Oh, I see.
You're smiling? But it's $4.
In Asian culture, the number 4 can sound like bad luck. But in the United States, $2 bills are very special and rare. So it was sweet of your teacher to give you $2 bills in your red envelope. One $2 bill means luck. 2 of them means double luck.
Oh, double luck?
Yes, your teacher was wishing you extra good luck for the new year.
Oh, I like double luck.
But you're also right. Some people might still think $4 is unlucky.
Then what should I do if I give red envelopes someday?
To avoid confusion, you can give 1 $2 bill or 3 $2 bills.
1 is lucky. 3 is lucky.
Different cultures can see numbers differently. What matters most is the good wish behind the gift. Just like your teacher wanted to give you a very special Lunar New Year wish.
Happy Lunar New Year! And I have double luck this year. Bye-bye!
See you next time!